this video isn't really meant to be like it's a how-to, I guess, for you guys that are watching this. But this is a Hyundai Ioniq EV ProClip. I've had it on 3 cars now. What makes it cool is not the actual phone mount itself, but it's the backing plate. They make the backing plates custom for every car. I did pay full price for this, by the way. I've got this thing on my Ford Escape, in my Hyundai, and my Golf R, and our Sport Wagon, and it's pretty cool. Heather likes hers a lot, but see how that installs. So you just kind of clip it in there. It doesn't get in the way of the power or the volume knob. Really well thought out. I'm a fan. That's really honestly like the extent of it. So once you're done with the actual like install, you get a screwdriver, and then you can move these things out and in to actually adjust it to fit your phone. And then once the phone fitment is verified, then you just basically, it doesn't go through. It has a little stopper at the bottom, so it just stops right there, and then you can just plug your cord in there. They make one that's $20 more that actually has a lightning cable built into it, but this is a nice cost savings, and it works just as well. The phone's not going anywhere. This mount is super like sturdy, so really go crazy. So the way the website works is you just pick your mount, you pick your car. They'll recommend the mount for it, and then you pick the actual phone holder as a second step. It'll stick here for years, seriously. So, easy video to shoot. I just wanted to show you these off. These are the best iPhone mounts you can get for your car because they're custom. It doesn't mess up your windshield or leave any adhesives behind. So, just get one of these. They're awesome.